Luxury living starts here in Summerlin West. Soaring 20-foot ceilings, a resort-style pool with cascading waterfalls, and stunning mountain views. Welcome to 11429 Orazio Drive. Hi everyone! 안녕하세요. 你好. I'm Lauren Chenfu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. This is one of my newest listings in Summerlin. Let me show you around this stunning luxury home. Welcome to 11429 Orazio Drive, an exquisite Toll Brothers home nestled in the heart of Summerlin West, one of Las Vegas's most sought-after luxury communities. From the moment you arrive, the private gated front courtyard sets the tone for what's inside, elegant, inviting, and thoughtfully designed. As you step inside, dramatic high ceilings immediately set the tone, giving the great room an open and grand feel. Natural light flows throughout, highlighting the home's beautiful finishes and thoughtful design. Step outside to your own resort-style backyard retreat, featuring a heated pool and spa, 3 cascading waterfalls, LED lighting, and a full-length covered patio. Perfect for outdoor dining, entertaining, or simply relaxing under the Las Vegas sky. One of the highlights of this home is the 2-story primary suite located on the main level, featuring soaring ceilings that create a spacious, airy feel and a true sense of retreat. You'll also find a custom built-in closet in the primary suite, complete with an entertainment center perfect for everyday comfort and convenience. There's also a separate one-car garage with its own courtyard access, making it a great option for a home gym, office, or flex space. Whatever fits your lifestyle best. Upstairs, you'll find 3 generously sized bedrooms, along with a spacious loft that opens to a balcony with beautiful mountain views. It is ideal for a home office, media room, or an additional lounge space. Completing the upstairs are 3 spacious bedrooms, each featuring custom built-in closets for added organization and style. Impeccably maintained and ideally located just minutes from downtown Summerlin, Red Rock Canyon, upscale shopping, dining, and top-tier amenities. This home truly offers the best of the Las Vegas lifestyle. If you're looking for luxury, location, and resort-style living, this home truly has it all. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Lauren Chen Fu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. See you in the next one.